Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a project that's as captivating as it is simple. Building your very own infinity mirror. This isn't just a cool decoration. It's a mesmerizing piece of art that creates the illusion of an endless tunnel of light. Ready to get started? First things first. What exactly is an infinity mirror? Well, it's an optical illusion created using two mirrors, one of which is a one-way mirror, and strategically placed lights, usually LEDs. The lights reflect back and forth between the mirrors, creating the effect of infinite depth. It's truly a sight to behold. Alright, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a frame. You can build one from wood, repurpose an old picture frame, or get creative. Next, you'll need two mirrors. One will be a regular mirror, and the other a one-way mirror. These are also known as two-way mirrors, or a partially silvered mirror. Then, we'll need a string of LED lights. Addressable LEDs will give you more control over the light patterns. Also, some basic tools: a saw, a drill, a screwdriver, glue, and maybe some sandpaper. Now, let's build the box. If you're using wood, cut the pieces to your desired dimensions. Keep in mind the size of your mirrors. Assemble the frame, making sure it's sturdy. Sand any rough edges. Time to add the LED lights. Place them inside the frame, facing inward. The placement is crucial. You can attach them to the inside edges of the frame. Make sure the lights are evenly spaced. Now, connect the LED lights to their power source and controller. Next, the mirrors. Place the one-way mirror at the front of the frame. Make sure the reflective side is facing outwards. This is the side you'll see. Then, place the regular mirror at the back of the frame, facing the one-way mirror. The space between the mirrors is where the magic happens. Secure the mirrors in place, ensuring they're clean. You can use glue or small brackets. Before you fully close everything up, test the lights. Turn them on, and adjust the position until you get the desired effect. Almost there. Close up the frame. Add a back to the frame to keep everything secure and the light contained. And there you have it, your very own infinity mirror. When you turn it on, the LED lights will bounce between the mirrors, creating that stunning, endless illusion. This project is a fantastic blend of art and science, and a great conversation starter. Experiment with different colors, patterns, and frame designs. The possibilities are endless. Be creative, and enjoy the process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun projects.